Alright, still smoking because I warmed it up. But we got a little problem with the Explorer. Truck stuff. Anyway. So we got a little problem with the Explorer today. The seat is not going down. This one works. This one doesn't. From what I researched online, you hold in these three. One. Well, that didn't seem to work. Try that again. Well, I guess it is off to the dealership. Oh, here's something funny. I got it to go down, but it goes up 3 or 4 inches at a time. The motor works, but doing that, it's the only way to get it to go up. And then it won't go back down. But if I hold it for like 15 seconds, I can push it down. See? The motor works. It's just not doing it on its own. So there's a quick fix for now until I do some more research, and I should be able to fix this myself. Alright, update number 3. Put it in accessory mode. Bring up the seats. Clicky clicky all the way up. Okay, now hold in the middle for a minute while it's in accessory mode. Look at that. Let's see if it goes back up. Ho 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 ho. Let's see if it works. Oh, come on. Try this again. What happens if I let go? gonna just hold it in for 60 seconds. Come on. Oh, and there we have it, gentlemen and ladies. We have full working seats.